Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review BotGate AI. BotGate AI is a new lifetime deal on AppSumo and it's basically a chatbot builder. And as you can see, they are claiming that they are the alternative of Drift, Qualified, and Landbot. It's best for sales, marketing, and support teams that want to boost engagement and conversations while saving their time. So they are saying that BotGet AI is a no-code conversational marketing platform that integrates seamlessly into your workflow to capture lead and boost conversations. So basically, in one sentence, it's a chatbot builder. So these are the things guys, and if you see their pricing from here, they are offering you up to license tier 4. In all license tier you will get all playbooks, all integrations, unlimited website, and unlimited workspace. But the difference are in this active contact. In license tier 1 you will get 1500 active contacts, and in license tier 4 you will get up to 10,000 active contact. And also there have difference between this teammate. In license tier 1 you will get 2 teammate seat, and in license tier 2 you will get 4 teammate seats, and in the upper license tier you will get up to 8 teammate seats. So these are the things guys here on this lifetime deal, and the price of this lifetime deal starts at 79 USD. But you can get at least 10% discount in all this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. After that, if you scroll down from here, there have their roadmap. If I go to their roadmap, let me go to their roadmap from here. See, this is their roadmap. These things are under planned, and these things are under consideration, and these things in development, and this is reporting improvements. So these things are in development, and in under consideration there have webflow integration, bubble io integration, then net promoter score. There have AI bot training, UX improvement, AB testing, mobile app, and multi-language bots. So these are the things guys here on this roadmap. They also have a community. If you want to join on this community, then just go through this link. So these are the things guys. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of BotGate AI and let's explore what have inside their dashboard and how it works. This is the dashboard of BotGate AI guys. Whenever you will log in into their dashboard, you will get something like that. Here you have to insert the app name. Suppose the app name is Passivern. Insert your name here. Suppose after that you can change your avatar from here. Suppose I will change one of my avatar here. Suppose this one. Anything you can bring here actually. And here you can select your brand color from here. Suppose this one or this one. There have a lots of colors. See, and I'm keeping it as it is. And select the language. Right now the available languages are English and Turkish. So I'm selecting here English. After that, click on next. Here insert your website name or website URL. Suppose I'm inserting here passivern.com URL, and here select your time zone, and then there have choose a conversation template. There have get more leads template, qualify your leads template, and chat with your leads template. Suppose I'll select here get more leads template. After that, click on confirm. Then there have a tag that you have to insert on your website's body section, or you can here the email address of your developer. But in my case I want to do all my things by my own, so I'll copy this code from here, and then I will go to the backend of my website. Now this is the backend of my website, and there are a various option or various way to insert the code on the body section of your website. In my case I will use a plugin. The name of the plugin is insert header and footers. I will go to this plugin. At first let me load please. And here have option to insert it in header, in body, in footer. And if I go to the BotGate, they have said that place this code just before the closing body tag. That means I have to put it in body section. Basically, if you know HTML CSS little bit, then you know it. So I'm pasting the code here in this body section, and then I will save it. So my code has been added, guys. After that, go to BotGate again and then click on go to dashboard. So this is the dashboard, guys, and there have welcome tour. You will see how to set up all the things, but don't worry, I will show you all the features there have. So I'm cutting these things here. At first you will see the dashboard from here, and you can see the inside according to dates from here, and you can see number of subscription monthly. And as you can see, if you get license tier 1, then you can get up to 1500 active contacts. And from here you can see how many active contacts you have, and there have average conversation by time of day and new conversation data you will get here in this section. After that, there have option for inbox. Let me go to the inbox. Here in this inbox section you can see all your inbox things, that means all your messages. From here you can filter your messages according to date, and here you can see number of messages you have opened, number of messages you have closed, all the things you can control or you can see from here. After that, there have contact section. You can see all your contact list, that means the people who will message you or the people who will contact with you. You can see their name, email, phone, and then the date when they created or when they messaged you, their country, city, language, platform, all the things you can see from here. After that, there have bot design. So this is the main feature, guys, and using this bot design feature you can design your bot. Basically there are three built-in template. The first one is get more leads, and the second one is qualify your leads, and the third one is chat with your leads. So you can add anyone you want. Suppose this is one of the template that I have added. You can also create your custom bot just by clicking here plus icon. Suppose I will go to this get more leads template. Let's see how these things work. So this is the design, guys. It's designed by algorithm. See, at first it will show a default welcome message, and if you want to edit it, then just click here edit. You can edit these things here. See, there have a lots of welcome messages just going to say hi, here, hello, hi, howdy, hey there. That means it will not send same message to everyone. It will send multiple messages to multiple person. That means it will shuffle the welcome messages. So these are the things, guys. Here if you see the other things, so these are the things you can delete here. You can add a new welcome message also here if you wish to add. So these are the things, guys. Here after that, there have welcome message 2. That means here it will ask what brought you to our website today. You can edit these things also from here. See, this is the random text message, and there are the option: I'm looking to buy a product, I need help, I am just browsing. You can add new button also here, and you can make it mandatory to click on button, or you can keep it voluntarily also. So these are the options. And then if anyone click on this option, then what happen? These things happen. If anyone click on this second option, then these things will happen. If anyone click on this third option, then these things will happen. So you can design all these things depending on your need. See, there have all the automations, and if you need more, if you need any customization, then there have option. Just drag and drop the things that you need here, and then upload your image if you need any image here. Suppose I'm uploading this one, or you can also insert your image by URL here, let it be upload, and then click on save. And now you have to decide when you want to send them. Suppose if these things happen, then you want to send them. So just connect these things from here. Let me connect it. I don't know why. Yes, it's connected. So there have a lots of steps. See, there have text message, there have image, there have video file, there have decision, call to action button, there have human takeover, there have get location, send email, there have carousel, REST API, collect custom data, collect contact property, go to URL. Then there have branch, jump, delay, int. So these all things there have. So these things you can design here, and you have to design it depending on your needs. So I'm not showing you how to design these things, but I hope you get the idea how to design these things. It's just drag and drop builder. Just drag it here and connect it with what you want to connect. So these are the things, guys, and you can test your bot also. There have option test it out. Just click here and you can test the bot from here. Let it be load. See, in this is the chatbot. If anyone click here, then they will see something like that. And then if I click on I need help, then it will ask me my name at first. Suppose I am sending my name here, Dhrubo. So I haven't sent my full name here. It's asking me my full name. So I have sent my full name. Now it's saying nice to meet you, Imdadul Islam. Before getting your question, could you please leave your email in case we get disconnected? So now I have to send the email basically. So these are the things, guys. You can do these types of things here, and you can test your chatbot also before publishing it, and then just save it. So these are the things, guys, in this AI bot design. You can design your bot here. You will get all the bots you will design, and the cool thing is, if I go to the lifetime deal pricing, you can use it for unlimited website. So I think you can use it for client work also, or for agency work also. If you have agency or if you do freelancing, then you can give these types of service also to people. So these are the things, guys. After that, there have playbook. Let me explore what have inside this playbook section. In this playbook section, you can create basically pre-made template. That means you can previously create your message here, and the BotGate AI will send your previously saved message to your clients whenever it will be need. Suppose there have three playbook that are created by default. If I go to this first one, let me open it. So there have playbook type, build a AI bot from scratch, and there is the playbook name, and here is the where would you like to route to AI bot. That means this bot we have created in this AI bot design, and that's why I can select this bot from here. If I had multiple bot here in this AI bot design, then I could get here multiple bot, and from here I could select my bot. So these are the things, guys. After that, they have triggering. See, when you want to trigger this action or this message to all visitor, or visitor who match all the condition in any of the following group. If I select it, see, there have the condition. So you can select device type, URL path, URL query parameter, URL host, referral host, URL UTM, referral path. Then there have referral query parameter, page title, referral UTM. There have referrer. So this all things, city, zip code, country, IP address. You can control almost all the things from here. See, and here have the operator and value. So if I select from here, suppose I'll select city, and now it will be available. Suppose the city contains, or the city is not, or the city is, suppose the city is maybe Texas, or the city is maybe Dhaka, or the city is maybe Delhi. So you can select here multiple city from here. In this way, you can add as many condition as you want to add here, and you can add new group also here. You can add here and condition or condition, all things actually you can select here. But for this video, I'm selecting here all visitors to keep it simple. But if you need to set any condition here, you can do all these things from here also. After that, there have display option. You can also set up when you want to display these things. Show on every page load, show once per session, and then there have until they start a conversation, and there have never shown. And you can set up also how many times would you like a proactive message to be shown. You can set up here always shown one time per session, and then you can set up here how many times you want to show. After that, you can set up seconds on page, 3 second, 5 second, 10 second. You can set up whatever you need, and after that, just click here save changes. So the idea is, you can set up pre-made template here on this playbook section, and then you can show these playbooks on your AI bot. So these are the things, guys. After that, there have integrations. If I go to this integration, there have lots of integrations. See, there have web widget that I have already connected. After that, there have Instagram for business, WhatsApp sandbox, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Slack, BotGate API. So you will get API also, webhook, Google Analytics, 360 dialog. Then there have infobip and SAML SSO. I'm not sure what it is, but there have also SAML SSO. Okay, it's fine. So these types of integration there have, but I would recommend to the developer of BotGate AI, please bring here JPR and Public Connect integration also, because as it's live on AppSumo now, the AppSumo users are very familiar with JPR and Public Connect. So please add here JPR and Public Connect also. So these are the things, guys, here on this integration section. After that, there have reports. If I go to this report section, here you will get all types of report from here. New conversation, there have average conversation by time of day. So these are the things. This dashboard is totally new, that's why there is nothing actually, but if you use it constantly, then definitely you will get a very rigorous analytics here in this section. So these are the things, guys. You will see your contacts analytics from here, you will see your message analytics from here, and AI bot analytics also from here. And the last thing is there have sitting. Let me go through the setting. There have all the things: app name, app language, time zone, then data center region. Then there have persistent menu. If I go through this persistent menu, then they are saying that persistent menu is open, which is the default in Facebook Messenger and web widget. You can open and close here it. I'm not sure what is this persistent menu actually, but you can use these things here also. After that, they have teammate. You can add here teammate, and the thing you should be clear that if you get here license tier 1, then you can get up to 2 teammate. So if you need multiple teammate, then you have to increase the tier. So these are the things. After that, they have conversation, so you can control your conversation sitting from here. And they have Slack for you, so you can add your Slack here. Then you can do other control things with Slack here in this section. After that, they have conversation routing. If I go through this here, you can create conversation writing. There have created one by default. If I go to this conversation routing, see there have the name, and there have the channel. Suppose I'll select here Facebook and WhatsApp. You can select anything you want. After that, there have how would you like to route conversation, suppose to a single teammate, round robin, with a group, or do not route this conversation. Suppose I'll select here to a single teammate, and here you have to select where would you like to route it. That means from this routing section, you can assign your teammates for various chatbot or various work. After that, there have company details, so you can get your company details and business hours from here. So these are the things, guys, on this BotGate AI. After that, there have profile section. You can get your profile information from here. So these are the things, guys, here on this BotGate AI. And if you think you need a chatbot for your business or for your personal growth, from here on this AppSumo, I'll give the link of BotGate AI in the description of this video. You can get this deal on 10% discount. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link, and it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, then please consider subscribing this channel, and visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group. From the description of this video, I'll give the link of this VIP lifetime deal discussion group in the description of this video and in the comment section. So if you wish to join here, you can join here for free. I'll run giveaway campaign in this group whenever the member of this group will be 1000. So if you wish to get the giveaway, you can join here for free. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.